So I just want to say how this course helped me. So since past 3 to 2 months, I was searching for the best course where I can learn Java very quick within a month or something because I'm in my final year and I have to learn more and more skills. So I chose Java as my first programming language. I have little idea about C++, Python, but Java was really hard. I have researched a lot and I couldn't find the best course. Then I found Aryan Bhaiya on Instagram. He was like, I was really impressed by the course. When I saw the course details, I thought this is a good start for me. So I chose this course and I started doing DSA and I did a few lead code questions. Now I'm doing it. So currently now I'm planning to learn more AI tools from 30 days of code. I believe this was the best decision of my life because this is best start for any fresher who wants to learn new skills, new tech skills. So I would suggest each and every person to choose 30 days of code. The whatever they thought, like whoever is behind this, I really want to thank them so much, Kiki. It really helped me a lot, and thank you so much. I hope you make more videos and bring out more new skills and projects so that interns like me can learn more. Thank you.